Hello everybody, it's the ATV Dudes going to do a review on a WATERWICH remote controlled wireless solenoid for a ATV winch. Here's the box. It says WATERWICH on it. And then you have the part number. It's for a 2,000 to 5,000 pound winch. Made in China. There's the box. Another view of the box comes in. Alright, let's do an unboxing. Alright, here he goes. First thing, ta-da! Pair of, what are those?
Rubber gloves.
Nylon or rubber?
Rubber gloves.
Pair of rubber gloves. Nice.
Some of those covers
things for the positive and negative terminals. I'll take them out of the wrapper. We'll do that later. Remote control.
First remote control.
Second remote control. So it comes with two remote controls. And here's the universal remote.
Wireless remote box thing here, Jing.
There's the solenoid. Alright. Now, alright. Comes with a thank you card. There's your writing on the back. Here's the remote instructions when I open that. Well, you are not gonna read that. If, like other people have said, the instructions are pretty hard to read, so you have to go online to figure out how to wire it up, but we'll show you how to wire it up so you don't have to do that. Alright, that's it for that. Here's some of the tools you're going to need. 10mm socket, extension if you need it, and ratchet. You're going to need wire cutters, thing to clamp the bullet connectors. Okay, and then you're going to need one of these wire terminals because the wires on the sending unit are the wrong size. So you're going to need a couple of bullet connectors, male and female. And here is the remote box. It says, if I can get up close, focus. Capstan remote control. Model ZJW027. 12 volt. Says it works at a distance of 35 meters. Total load power 120 watts. And a scope for automotive marine winch. On that you got a blue receiver antenna. You got the yellow and white wires. They go into your solenoid to control your in and out of your winch. You got the red positive, which goes to the battery, or you can go to a powered switch or a wire from the ignition. And the black goes to the negative battery. One thing on this switch that you have to turn out, cut this out, and put a bigger one so it'll fit on your solenoid. Because this is too small to fit on the battery on your solenoid or switch. So you gotta cut that off and put a bigger size on. Gotta find one that'll fit on your solenoid. So that needs to be replaced. Plus, you'll have to cut these white and yellow wires and put bullet connectors on there. Okay, so you gotta cut the negative off. Cut the yellow. Cut the white. Alright, so now you gotta strip these. Oh, the wires are braided. There you go. Now you gotta put that new terminal on there. Like so. That should be right. Using a wire crimper. That works. Now you gotta connect the two bullet connectors onto your remote control thing wires. And those braided wires got kind of messed up. There we go. Looks a little loose. Alright. Now I'm going to keep the two male parts on there. That way we can switch them around if we need them. In case the winch goes backwards.
Okey-doke.
Alright, got those connected. So once again, you gotta replace the negative with a bigger terminal to fit on the solenoid. And cut off the two ends of the white and yellow. Then you have to find this. Then you gotta put I had a wire I made up that was off another solenoid. So I'm gonna put those in there. Alright, so now we gotta connector up. I can just plug these in here. There we go. Plug this into here. There you go. I'll just plug this into the switch on the four-wheeler, and then we'll have it connected. Okay, welcome back. We got the Kodiak 450 Project four-wheeler. Now the solenoid was shot, so we had to get a new solenoid.
If your winch is stuck out like this one.
Yeah, we have the winch stuck out. So we tried to switch. The switch is good, so it has to be the solenoid. So we have to take the solenoid, and to get the wires off,
What you want to use here is a Milwaukee M18 cordless impact driver.
yeah, it's half-inch drive
With a 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter socket.
Yep.
Now that's what you use to take out the battery terminals. And
This is what you want to use. You stick this thing on here like this, and you just loosen up each one. You loosen them up real fast. Don't even have to try. Get that one on there. There we go.
well, welcome back. This can be the installation of the solenoid. Alrighty, let's go.
Alright, we'll take one off by one. And these two wires here are the positive and the negative to the winch. So which one you're going to want? For the positive is the blue. For the positive
To the winch.
to the winch. Take this off. I'm going to do this one by one, so make it a little easier. This one.
You take the positive off the old solenoid that goes to the winch.
Put this on the blue. That one. And then you're going to want to take for the negative, you want to put that one on the yellow. Snug down with the 10 millimeter. Cool. And basically all you have to do is take these other two off for your negative to the ground and the positive to the red and the black on here. Well, we got our wireless box here, and we gotta connect up we're gonna connect up the two power wire and the ground right to the solenoid here. Goes to the ground here.
You could connect it up to the battery, but we think it's easier to just connect it up to the solenoid. Because it's a constant source of power anyways.
me get this other one out of here. We'll get this. Here's the old rusty solenoid that doesn't work anymore. We'll just throw that. Set that there. Get this other power wire hooked up.
And that other power wire.
Oh yeah. Don't forget to hook up the other power wire to the junction box. Give these a snug down.
Make sure they're all snug down. You don't want to torque them down too tight so they don't break. Alright, let's double check all our connectors. Alright, here we are back.
Alright, we gotta hook up all these wiring. You can just plug these two in here. Like that. This one for the in and out for the switch. Plug these two in.
Plug those two into the solenoid.
And like that. So we got everything plugged in on here. We're just gonna mount the solenoid and everything just right down in here in the spare box. It's about the easiest place to mount it on this thing. We'll just two-phase tape this right to inside here. Right in here.
Or Velcro.
Two little screws or Velcro or two-phase tape.
Alrighty, let's give it a try.
Here's your fancy handy dandy remote.
Let me focus it. Alright.
Alright, let's give her a try and see what happens.
Which button are you pushing? Up.
Push the in button or up button. Well, this is up and down, so.
Okay,
Here's your on and off switch right here. On the side of the remote. Let's turn it on. And we're gonna go in.
let's see which way. Okay, let's see which way you got it. It works.
Alright, so up. And we'll have to switch those around.
Well, up is in.
Up is in, and then down is out.
It works. Nice having a remote.
And your switch still works. So there's your review on the WATERWICH.
Okay, here's the remote control for the WATERWICH. Well, I'm going to show you what the battery looks like. Take it apart. You got two small Phillips screwdrivers. Screwdriver. Nuts. Bolt. Alright. Take the back cover off. And that's what the remote control looks like inside. And here's the battery. Small little battery. Let's see if I can get a close-up of it. Alright. So if you need to replace the battery on your remote control, it's an A23 12 volt. I'm surprised that little battery is 12 volts. So once again, the battery is an A23 12 volt. Alright, I just wanted to show what type of battery is in there. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.